Hello everybody, in our today's lesson we are going to learn conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting lets you automatically change the appearance, font, color of cells based on specific rules. For example, we can highlight cells that are above a certain value, contain specific text, or meet any custom criteria you set with formulas. This helps you quickly identify important trends or data points in your spreadsheet. For example, let's take a look at this table. Here we have names and scores of students. There are 35 students. And in this column, in column B, I want a student whose name is Ella to be highlighted in yellow. Okay, so first of all, let's select this range from B2 to B36. Now, go to Format, then select Conditional Formatting, and we can see a window here. So go to this drop down, select Text Contains, and in this field, type in Ella. Then select the background color, in my case it's yellow, and click Done. Close it. Okay, and now let's take a look at it. Here we have two names highlighted. The first is Isabella and the second is Ella. Because Isabella contains the name Ella in itself, it is also highlighted. What if I don't want Isabella to be highlighted? So we need to use another rule then. Let's again select this range, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, click on this, okay, and again go to this drop down and select Text is exactly, okay, and click on Done. Let's close it, and this time Isabella is not highlighted anymore. Good. Now, let's use conditional formatting for numbers. Here we have scores of these students. Okay, so let's select this range from D2 to D36. And what I want to highlight students who got lower scores, or for example, lower than 50. Okay, let's go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Okay, again, so let's select this drop down. And here, if you scroll down, we have this less than and type in 50. And let's make it red. Okay, done. Okay, good job. Okay, as we see here we have 47, Madison got 47, Lily 49, and 45, and Aiden 49. Okay, and now I also want to highlight higher scores. Okay, again, because this range is selected, let's add another rule here. Let's click on it. Okay, and this time I want to select this rule, greater than or equal to. Okay, and let's type in 95 and select another color, which is green in my case, and click on Done. Okay, now we can close it. And as we see, here we have Michael who's got 97, Ryan 98, Mason, wow, 100. Congratulations, Mason. And one more student who is Grace is 98. Okay, that's all for now. If you have any questions or comments related to conditional formatting, please let me know in the comments below. Goodbye for now.